Hey everyone, welcome to Rev Games Academy. Today we're diving into importing animations from Blender and Mixamo into Unity. I'll walk you through the entire process, importing, configuring, and setting up animations. By the end, you'll have a smooth workflow to bring your projects to life. Let's get started. Let's start with Mixamo. Mixamo is a free, web-based platform designed for creating and animating 3D characters quickly and effortlessly. It's a favorite among game developers, animators, and indie creators because of its simplicity and ability to save loads of time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Mixamo has you covered. All right, let's grab an animation from Mixamo. First, open your browser and head to Mixamo.com. Sign in with your account if you don't have one yet. Quickly sign up and you're good to go. Now that we're in Mixamo, you'll see a wide variety of animations paired with different characters, showcasing various actions. On the right-hand side, you'll find options like Upload Character, click, click, click. A super handy feature if you already have a character in Unity, that you can upload it here to preview exactly how the animations fit. But for now, let's keep it simple. I'm sticking with a default character. Let's pick an animation. Ooh, check this out. Rumba dancing. Looks funny, right? Let's have some fun with this one. Now, click the download button and a pop-up will appear. Here's an important step. Select FBX for Unity as the format. But what exactly is an FBX file? Well, FBX, short for Filmbox, is a widely used 3D file format designed for exchanging models, animations, textures, and rigs between software like Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender, Maya, and more. Developed by Autodesk, it's perfect for preserving compatibility and all the intricate details of your 3D assets. Got it? Great. Let's move on. Next, let's choose FPS 60 for the animation. Why? Because a higher frame rate gives you smoother and more fluid movement. Now you'll see an option for skin. You can decide whether to include the skin or not. Once you're ready, click download and the animation will be saved to your local path. Let's import it into Unity. Open your Unity project, and I've already created an empty folder to keep things organized. Simply drag and drop the file into this folder like this. Now let's open it up. See, here's the animation. Here's a preview. You can see it in action. You can also assign this animation to your character. Next, we'll set up the rig. Choose either humanoid or generic, depending on what you need. Once you've selected, hit Apply. Finally, head over to the Animation tab. To make it loop, select the loop time option and click Apply. Done! And don't forget to check out the other properties. It's a great way to fine-tune your work. All right, let's use this animation in our scene. First, in your assets, select the animation and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Now we have a new copy of the animation. Click on it and make sure it's set to loop. If not, enable it. At the bottom, you'll see a preview with Unity's default character. Perfect. The animation is properly set up. Now, let's create an animator controller for this. Right-click in the project window, tap Create, and select Animator Controller. Name it something fun like rumba dancing or anything you prefer. Double-click the controller to open it. Here it is. Next, right-click and create an empty state for the motion. Assign the animation we just made. Rename the state to something like dance or rumba for clarity. Great, the animation and animator are set up correctly. Let's add some action to the scene. Drag and drop the character into the scene. Looking good already. Let's adjust the position. Okay, now make sure the character has an animator component. If it doesn't, just search for it and attach it in the inspector. Finally, attach the controller we just created by dragging and dropping it into the animator field. Awesome! Everything is set up perfectly. Let's hit play and watch the magic happen. Look at that. That's an amazing dance. Here's a bonus. You can make any character dance. Let's try it with this boy character. Just attach the same controller to him. Just like that. All right, let's hit play and watch these dancers in action. And now we've got another Roomba dance partner. It's so funny to watch. And you've learned how to work with Mixamo for 3D character animations, export them, and use the FBX format in Unity. The process is almost identical when using Blender. Simple and efficient. And yes, the same FBX format is what you'll use when exporting animations from Blender too. On the Blender homepage, click the Download button to grab the installer. Once downloaded, give the necessary permissions and install it. Blender is a free open-source 3D creation tool used for modeling, animation, rigging, rendering, and more. It's versatile and perfect for game development, VFX, and 2D, 3D animation, making it a favorite for creators of all levels. Using Blender, you can create animations with any character you like. Once you're done animating your 3D character, export it in the FBX format. To do this, go to the File menu in the top left corner, select Export, and choose FBX. Adjust the properties and make sure to tick the Apply Transform checkbox. This ensures your model imports into Unity in the correct position. When ready, click Export FBX to save the file. From there, simply import it into Unity and set up your animation, just like we did with Mixamo. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate animations from both Blender and Mixamo into your Unity projects, bringing life and motion to your 3D characters. Keep experimenting, get creative, and most importantly, have fun animating.